Hello, good morning and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Marquez. Today's walk around video is this absolutely stunning deep impact blue 1.25 Zetec 5-door Fiesta. 82 brake horsepower, full service history and one owner from new. Absolutely stunning car throughout. No marks on any of the alloys. Show you the features and benefits inside. First and foremost, we've recently serviced it on the 25th of September. And there's all your service history beforehand. Isofix child seat anchor points in the back to keep babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. Locking wheel nut adapter and 2 keys with every Perrys car. A 5-speed gearbox giving an absolutely fantastic return on your fuel of 54.3 miles per gallon. Air conditioning and heated front windscreen as well, so absolutely fantastic for the winter weather we've got coming up. CD radio including DAB radio, as you can see there. Auxiliary input for streaming your own music via your smartphone. Bluetooth telephony, menu function controls, trip computer, enhanced voice command so you can command most of the features there in the centre just using your voice. Volume control for both Bluetooth and audio. Power to front windows. Fantastic car, great opportunity. Safety checked and serviced by our Ford main dealer technicians, and of course Perrys customer care, award-winning customer care. What's not to like? Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.